KosmoCare Height Adjustable Multipurpose Table Trolley provides a large surface for tabletop activities. It is available in two attractive finishes, cherry wood and mahogany. It is perfect for those recovering from illness, injury, or surgery. The hydraulic mechanism makes it easier to adjust the height of the table trolley at the desired level for comfortable use. Now upgraded with a built-in child lock feature, designed for safer operation and everyday peace of mind. Once engaged, the lock holds the tabletop steady and secure. The multi-purpose table allows you to position the work surface to varied height angles, providing you with more versatility. The sturdy Overbed tabletop is constructed from a durable wood grain and laminated on top. Overbed tables can be used on most bedsides, chairs, and couches. The premium MS powder-coated frame is easy to assemble and is capable of securely accommodating weights up to 18 kilograms evenly distributed across the entire surface. It also features an encircling corner guard around the tabletop, providing added safety during regular use. The four lockable swiveling casters make it easy to maneuver. A minimum ground clearance of 10 centimeters is required to slide the tabletop under the bed, while locking tabs allow you to stabilize the table while in use. So confidently order yours and give your loved ones the height-adjustable multi-purpose table trolley from KosmoCare.